Okay. You guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
No!
Don't tell me no. Okay, open them.
Okay. I'll open this first one.
What is it, Tay-Tay?
This
It's a fire truck. You can tell without even opening it. Alright. What'd you get, Till?
Cars!
You got some cars?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Oh my goodness, a bunch of cars. Wow. Alright, we'll open those up in just a minute, okay? Open your next one.
It's a toy.
Oh boy, it's a pretty girl set.
This is,
Do you like it? You got there's a comb and a mirror. What else? Some hair ties, a headband, barrettes. Look at that.
Can we open it?
Yes, we'll open it. What do you say to Grampy and Sherry then?
Thank you.
What else?
For the covers.
What about you, big guy? You gonna open the other present? You gonna open this one?
No.
No? No, still to open it for you? Hell, you got cars too. You guys got a bunch of cars.
I'll open it.
Like fire truck? Say fire truck.
Oh, yes.
Say fire truck.
Wait. Hey, look. You have a brown car and a red car. And also you have a brown car.
Tail.
And a white car.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Grampy.
Copy.
Say Sherry Lynn.
No.
Say Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas.
Oh,
Tail.
okay.
Say Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas, Tail. Merry.
Say love you.
Thank you.
Say see you later.
Yeah.
You want to say? Do you have anything else you want to say?
No.
No. Say bye bye.
Bye-bye.